Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how we can back up iPhone data to our PC. This can be done through either Mac or Windows. But your computer must contain iTunes. So, let's start by connecting your iPhone to PC. After successful connection, iTunes will pop up. From here, if this message appears, then click Continue. Click on Agree for welcome message. If your device is connected, then it will appear here. Click it to continue. If this warning pops up, then click on Don't Encrypt. Now, your device will be synchronized to iTunes. After completed, click on Get Started. Here under Backup you can find where to back up your device. You can choose either iCloud or this computer. I will choose this computer and click on Backup now. If you want password protection for your backup, then click on Encrypt Backup. Now, your backup process will start. You can see your latest backup aid here. And to restore your backup, you can click here. If you have any difficulties, then comment below.